To some COVID-19 updates now. COVID cases are once again on the rise globally. In the UK, Portugal, Israel and the US, there are now witnessing surge in COVID-19 cases. Let's start with Britain. Cases rose by 43% last week and now that is over 400,000 cases. While this is the highest estimate for infections since the start of May, it remains well below the record high of 4.9 million that was recorded at the end of March. Cases rose across the United Kingdom in all age groups. Around 1 in 50 people had the virus in England, according to the Office for National Statistics. The rise is likely to have been caused by the Omicron variants BA.4 and BA.5. BA.1 is the original variant of Omicron and has now seen infections surge across the UK in the months of December and now in early January this year. The newer variants, that is BA.4 and BA.5, were recently classified as variants of concern by the UK Health Security Agency. Moving on now to Portugal. One of the world's most vaccinated nations is also seeing a rather alarming rise in cases, despite 96% of the whole population being already inoculated. Deaths in Portugal are higher in 2022 as compared to last year and even 2020. In Portugal, the BA.5 variant is responsible for 37% of all positive cases. In Israel, the number of COVID patients in serious condition has now reached 140. This marks a 70% rise since last week. Health experts have warned that the current situation was unstable and that hospitals may need to reopen COVID wards if cases continue to rise. The spread of the new variant BA.5 is seen as a cause of the current surge, which was replacing Omicron as the dominant variant. And in the United States, the BA.4 and BA.5 accounts for more than 21% of new cases as of June. According to the CDC, these two subvariants evolved from the Omicron lineage to become even more contagious and can now bypass immunity from a past infection or even vaccination. This means that people can be reinfected even if they had had Omicron earlier. Data is still limited on this finding, especially on the severity of these new subvariants. Though scientists are optimistic based on reports coming from South Africa that they cause fewer hospitalizations and deaths when compared to the original BA.1 Omicron variant. WION World is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.